Here we go, fourth graders. Today we are going to work on finding the better deal. So I want you to think of these base 10 blocks that you have used as money. So you could think of this flat as $1, this long as a dime, and this cube as a penny. Think about that with what we're doing today. So here you go. Here's what you're going to work on today. Two stores are selling friendship bracelets, the Goku store and the Wild Pegasus store. The Goku store sells friendship bracelets 4 for $5. The Wild Pegasus store sells friendship bracelets 10 for $13. Which store has the better deal if you wish to buy 20 bracelets? Use base 10 blocks to solve this and make a drawing on construction paper showing your thinking. Your drawing must be convincing to others. We will be sharing these as a class to convince people which one is the better deal and why. So again, think back to these base 10 blocks and actually use them. Go over there and use them with your partner to prove which one is the better deal. You will be doing this before you come to group, and you will be doing it during group.